Now in this video we are going to cover up with abstract noun and concrete noun. First we are starting with abstract noun with some of the definitions, and we are going to solve some examples also. We are starting with abstract noun. Abstract nouns are the opposite of the concrete noun. They are the things that you cannot touch. Abstract nouns are idea, concept and feeling. Abstract nouns means the things which you can see but you can't touch that thing. Means, for example, if someone is a good boy or intelligent boy, so can you touch that intelligence? No. If that army is a brave, we call as the army peoples are brave people. So brave, we can see their braveness, but can we touch their braveness? No. So abstract nouns means that only, means idea, concept and feelings which we can't. With that only, idea means you can give idea to someone, but can you catch that idea? No. You can give the concept but you can't catch that concept. It is only a thing you can say but you can't touch. So abstract nouns means that only. Now here are some examples of abstract noun. For example, happiness, courage, danger, truth. Happiness, we can see someone is happy, we can feel it but we can't touch it. Even courage, how much that person or child is courageous, we can see. Danger, the thing is danger but we can't touch. Truth, that person is telling truth, we can see but we can't touch to his truthness. So we will start with the first one of the example. He has a great strength. Now strength we can see but we can't touch. Second, sometimes it takes courage to tell the truth. Now courage also, we should have that much guts to say. It's known as courage to say truth. Third, their lives were full of sadness. Now you can see how that front person is sad. Means sadness. You can feel that. The old man is known for his wisdom. Wisdom means wise. So these all things are known as abstract nouns because you can see all that feelings, goodness, sadness, everything, but you can't touch all that thing. So it is known as an abstract noun. Now we are going to start with concrete noun. So we will see the definition, and after definition we will start with examples. Concrete noun. Concrete noun are the physical things that you can touch, see and feel. Now this is the opposite of abstract noun. Means in abstract noun you can't touch the things but you can see it and you can feel it. But in concrete noun you can see also, you can touch it also, and you can feel the things also. So physical things means whatever things you are seeing, you can go and touch that thing and even you can feel it. It is known as a concrete noun. So we will move on to the example and we will see what are concrete noun. Now here are some examples of concrete noun. Examples: man, rice, head, car, furniture, mobile phones, etc. All these things we can see, we can touch, right? So we will start with the first one. The girl filled her bucket with water from the well. Now here you can see the girl, you can see the bucket, even you can touch the water and even you can see the water. So this thing, bucket and water, both are what? Concrete noun. So we will move to the second one. How many stars are there in the universe? So here stars and universe, both things we can see. So it is a concrete noun. Have you met James Bond? Now here James Bond is a man. So James Bond, we have seen him, right? So it is a concrete noun. Fourth, pour the water down the drain. Now water, we can see, we can touch, we can feel, and drain, we have to drain that water. So we can see that thing also. So these all examples are concrete noun. Now in this video we have completed with abstract and concrete noun. To get more information about noun and types of noun, you can go and check out my other videos of nouns and types of nouns. Thank you.